Hello, I'm going to show iPhone users how you can download the Zoom app and enter a meeting so you can join the advance. First, let's go to the App Store. We'll type in Zoom, Z-O-O-M. We'll choose the first option that comes up, Zoom Cloud Meetings, and download it by pressing on the little cloud and arrow on the right side. Once it's downloaded, you can open it from here or from your home screen, look for the little Zoom app. When you open the app, click on the blue button that says Join a Meeting. The code for the advance is 891-2895-1128. Update your name, in my case, Christina, and on the next screen it will ask for more information. So enter the name that you'd like to appear on the screen and your email address, then hit OK. You can turn on the microphone if you'd like, or allow it, but you won't be able to use it during our Zoom advance. You can decide if you'd like to receive notifications or not. I'll hit Don't Allow. Once you're in the meeting, you can touch the screen of your phone to make these icons appear. To get help with anything, click on the chat button and type to the panelists something like, "Hello, I need help." There are people standing by that can help you, and they'll answer within this same chat. To leave that screen, click Close, and then go back and enjoy the meeting. Finally, to leave, click on the red Leave button at the top. We'll see you soon.